If CapCut is showing an unstable network error, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a quick and practical fix that can help get things working again. This is especially useful if CapCut keeps disconnecting, loading slowly, or failing to sync while you're trying to edit. We'll go through 2 simple steps that can make a big difference, and they're easy enough for anyone to follow. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, check your system load. Sometimes the problem is not CapCut itself, but your computer using too many resources in the background. If you have heavy apps running, large browser tabs open, downloads in progress, or other programs eating up memory and bandwidth, CapCut may struggle to connect properly. So before changing anything inside CapCut, close unnecessary applications, shut down extra browser windows, pause any large downloads, and stop anything else that might be taking up internet speed or system performance. Once your computer is a little lighter, try CapCut again and see if the network issue improves. If the unstable network message is still there, the next step is to turn off hardware acceleration inside CapCut. This is a common fix for performance-related issues and can sometimes help CapCut behave more smoothly. To do this, open CapCut Desktop and go to Settings. From there, find the Performance section. In that menu, look for the option labeled Speed Up, Hardware Encoding and Decoding. Turn that option off. After that, save your changes and restart CapCut completely so the new setting can take effect. Restarting is important because CapCut may not apply the change until the app reloads from scratch. Once it opens again, test your project and see whether the unstable network issue is gone. In many cases, reducing background load and disabling hardware encoding and decoding is enough to fix the problem or at least make CapCut much more stable. If you still run into issues after that, double check your internet connection, try reconnecting your Wi-Fi, and make sure no VPN or proxy is interfering with the app. But for most users, the 2 steps in this video are the best place to start. So to recap, close heavy background apps first, then go into CapCut settings, open performance, turn off speed up, hardware encoding and decoding, save, and restart the app. That's the simple fix for CapCut unstable network errors. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit like and subscribe. It really supports the channel and helps you find more fixes like this in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.